Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel named Cody Shop. My name is Anant Negi. I am here to give you a brief demonstration on a new OpenCart module named CS Easy Auto Detect. So let us go to the configuration of the module. First of all, to install this module, you have to upload a modification file that I have already done, and then click on refresh. And after that, you can check if you have already uploaded the module files, then you can check your module in here, extensions and modules. So as you can see here, it is the modules is visible here. Then you can see the options available to change the configuration of this module. So as you can see, we have 4 blocks here: general, default, excluded, customer IDs and contact us. In general section, we have 3 options: status, Google Translate status, Google Translate powered by TextHide. So the status is simply as the other module have to enable or disable the module. The other options are Google Translate status. It will by enabling this option, uh, in the front end you can see the Google Translate uh, feature that is provided by Google only. As you can see here, I have already enabled it, so it is automatically converting it to my language, and as you can see, the local language in here is Hindi. So by using this module, it is directly converting to the local language or the language preferred in India. And then we have Google Translate powered by TextHide. As the Google text box, the Google select box that is being visible here uh, have powered by text given by the Google. But if you want to hide the Google text, then you can easily enable or disable it from here. Next options are default. Okay, if you have disabled this feature like Google Translate status, then this functionality can be used, as this is being based on the language and currency that is being provided in the default OpenCart. So if you see here, there is a table for country name, language name and currency name. In the country name, you don't have to select the country name, as the data is being based on the country name. So if I see here and search India, and then in India I see and select language name as Spanish, as I have already installed Spanish language for this demonstration. And other currency name I will use is INR. So if I click on save it and go quickly to the front end. Okay, I have not disabled the module. Okay, yes, I have to disable this Google Translate status feature to use this in front end. So as I refresh on the front end, you can see here the language currency is INR and the language used is Spanish. It is by default selecting based on our IP, and then selecting based on the uh, configuration that you have set in the backend. Then we have another feature, excluded customer IDs. From here you can select all the customers that will not be able to avail this module features in the front end. Like if you want a customer to disable this auto detect feature in the front end, so you can do that by selecting the customers, and when this particular customer is logged in from the front end, then this customer will not be able to avail the feature of easy auto detect. That's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you can avail our new videos easily and quickly. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.